everybody. This video is a sped up version, so you can have a little bite-sized video of a pumpkin tutorial. The full tutorial I did about a year ago on my YouTube channel. And this is just like a quick little summary. So I remade that design for this video, and I'm using some 21 gauge square copper wires here and some 24 gauge half round wires to connect them. And I'm using just a little carnelian orange stone there to represent my pumpkin. I thought this was a good time of year to show you a quick remake of that tutorial. I know I've been thinking about pumpkins, and perhaps so have you. One thing that I decided to do in this little remake that I didn't do in the original tutorial is I'm adding this little swirl that you see me making here. So that's new. I hope you like that little addition. And then just whatever little leaf charm beads you might have would be great for finishing off the pumpkin. And I'm just using some thick half round wire there to make that little hook for it to dangle on. So I hope that you enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.